Hello students, in today's lecture video we shall discuss about the estimate of pile foundation. Students, pile foundations are generally provided in soil having low bearing capacity. And pile foundations are available in different shapes, but generally it is preferred to provide circular shape pile foundation. I am Soumya Sahu, lecturer in civil engineering at SKDB Government Polytechnic Rourkela, and this video lecture is prepared for the 5th semester diploma civil engineering students. So without any further delay, let's start the lecture video. On the screen you can see a circular pile foundation which is having a diameter of 0.5 meter, and this is the clear cover. 75 mm clear cover is provided, and here you can see 6 number of main bars are provided. These are the vertical bars provided having 16 mm diameter. This length is 0.6 meter. This length is 15 meter. And this is again the length of clear cover. Here concrete is filled and this length is 0.3 meter. Here you can see the spirals. The spirals are provided with 10 mm diameter and 0.12 meter center to center spacing. In order to estimate the quantities involved in pile foundation, first we must know what is the length of the steel used. So the length of the steel would be 0.6 meter plus 15 meter plus we will add certain length which is used for lapping. Since the depth of the foundation is more than 6 meter, so here lapping is done, so we will assume that 0.9 meter of lapping is provided, and this length is not considered 0.3 because here concrete is filled. Okay, so length of the steel would be 0.6 meter plus 15 meter plus 0.9 meter, which is equals to 16.5 meter, and the total length of the steel would be 16.5 multiplied with 6. Why 6? Because 6 number of vertical bars are provided. So this would be 99 meter. So the total length of the steel is 99 meter. Then next we shall calculate the weight of the main bar. So we can find out the weight of the main bar with the formula pi by 4 d square multiplied with the length multiplied with the unit weight of steel. So pi by 4 d square. So the diameter of the main bar, which is 16 millimeter. The length of the steel, total length here we have to take, so the total length is 99 meter, and the unit weight of steel is 7850 kg per meter cube. So the pi by 4 multiplied with 0.016 square multiplied with 99 multiplied with 7850. So this will give you the weight of the main bar used, that is 156.25 kg. Then next we shall find out the number of spirals. So in the diagram here you can see certain number of spirals are provided with 10 mm diameter and 0.12 meter center to center spacing. So the total length on which spirals are provided is 15 meter divided by the center to center spacing, which is 0.12 meter plus 1 would give you the number of spiral, which is equals to 126 numbers of spiral. Then the length of the spiral is to be found out. So the length of the spiral would be the perimeter, that is pi into capital D. So this diameter would be 0.5 meter minus 2 times the clear cover. So pi into 0.5 minus 2 into 0.075. So this is equals to 1.1 meter. Then the total length of the spiral would be the length of the spiral multiplied with the number of spirals. So 1.1 multiplied with 126, which is equals to 138.6 meter. Then we have to calculate the weight of the spiral. The weight of the spiral is equals to pi by 4 Here I have taken d dash square so that you won't get confused between the diameter of main bar and diameter of the spiral. So pi by 4 d dash square multiplied with the length of the spiral, which we have already calculated here as 138.6 meter. Don't get confused between this L and this L. This L is the total length of the steel, while here L represents the total length of the spiral multiplied with the unit weight of steel. So pi by 4 multiplied with 0.01 square multiplied with 138.5 multiplied with 7850, which is equal to 85.39 kg. Then we shall find out the material in pile foundation. So the volume of the pile would be pi by 4 d square multiplied with the length of the pile foundation. So the diameter of the pile was 0.5 meter. Here the diameter is 0.5 meter, and what is the length of pile? The length of the pile is 0.6 plus 15 plus 0.3, which is equals to 15.9 meter. So the volume of the pile is equals to 3.12 cubic meter, and the dry volume is equals to 1.54 times the volume of wet concrete. So 1.54 multiplied with 3.12, which is equals to 4.8 cubic meter. And here we will assume that we are using M20 grade of concrete. So the proportion of M20 grade concrete is 1:1.5:3. So from here we can calculate the volume of coarse aggregate required, which is equals to 3 divided by 5.5 multiplied with the dry volume of concrete, which is 4.8 cubic meter. This is equals to 2.61 cubic meter. Then next we shall calculate the volume of fine aggregate, that is your sand. So the proportion of sand is 1.5. So 1.5 divided by 5.5 multiplied with the dry volume of concrete, that is 4.8, which is equal to 1.3 cubic meter. Then next we shall calculate the volume of cement required. So 1 divided by 5.5 multiplied with 4.8, which is equal to 0.872 cubic meter. Then the number of cement bags is equals to the volume of cement required is 0.872 divided by the volume of cement of 1 bag. The volume of 1 bag cement is equals to 0.0347 cubic meter. So if you divide 0.872 with 0.0347, that will give you 25.15 number of bags. So you can round it to 26 number of bags. So with this we have finished the detailed estimate of a pile foundation. Thank you students. If you have got any doubts, you can ask your doubts in the official WhatsApp group.